Are RFIs driving you nuts in your construction projects? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of RFIs, what they are, why they're so important, and most importantly, how to use them effectively to keep your projects on track and stress-free. So, what exactly is an RFI? A request for information, or RFI, is a formal document used in construction to ask for clarity, share information, or align visions across all project stakeholders. Think of it as the glue that keeps contractors, architects, and owners working in sync. RFIs ensure clear communication, provide a written record, and avoid costly misunderstandings. But here's the kicker: too few RFIs, and you risk leaving critical questions unanswered. Too many? It might signal bigger issues like rushed design phases or unclear plans. The sweet spot? A balanced, thoughtful approach. Not all RFIs are created equal. There are different types, each tailored for specific challenges. Design changes. For modifications that affect workflows or resources. Material changes. Proposing alternatives that are cost-effective or higher quality. Site conditions. Addressing on-site challenges like safety or efficiency issues. Utility conflicts. When pipes, wires, or other utilities create construction roadblocks. Each RFI has a role, and understanding which to use can make all the difference. Here's the secret sauce to writing RFIs that actually get results. Start with a clear question. Be concise. Spell out exactly what you need to know. Add context. Provide background details. Why does this matter? How will it impact the project? Use visual aids. Sketches, photos, or drawings make complex problems crystal clear. Propose a solution. Be proactive. Show you've thought this through and offer a fix. Set a real deadline. Forget vague terms like ASAP. Use specific dates that respect the schedule. Stay professional. Respectful, clear language gets better responses every time. Pro tip. Always document and track your RFIs. A solid log means no detail gets lost in the shuffle. Answering RFIs is just as crucial as writing them. Here's how to do it right. Stick to deadlines. Late responses can derail entire projects. Communicate quickly if you need more time. Provide solutions, not questions. Your goal is to move the project forward. Be clear and actionable. Request clarifications early. If the RFI isn't clear, pick up the phone. A quick call can save days of back and forth. Be patient. Yes, repeated RFIs can be frustrating, but they're often signs of deeper issues. Use these moments to address root problems, like misaligned drawings or plans. RFIs are powerful, but they're not for everything. Avoid using them for routine updates, safety plans, or schedule changes. Instead, rely on emails, project management tools, or team meetings to handle these tasks efficiently. To wrap up, here's how to master RFIs. Write clear, detailed, and proactive RFIs with solutions. Respond promptly and focus on providing clarity. Use RFIs strategically. They're tools for collaboration, not conflict. By following these steps, you'll transform RFIs from a headache into a game-changing tool for success. Did this video help demystify RFIs? Hit that like button, share it with your team, and subscribe for more tips to elevate your construction projects. Let's keep building smarter together. See you in the next video.